Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's tutorial, I'll learn how to create business card with business card maker. They have different templates on this app that you can just edit and create yours. You can see horizontal card here and vertical card. This image you are seeing here is exactly how your card will look like, in case you are wondering what horizontal or vertical means. So depending on the one you want, if you want the horizontal you click on, if you want the vertical you click on it. So let me choose the horizontal card. So you click on it and wait, it's loading. Now they have different templates. As you can see the back of the card and the front side of the card. So when you finish editing the front, you go ahead and edit the back side as well. So let's choose a template. So I'll click on it. So it's still loading. Now we're going to be editing all these things and putting our own names. If you want to change the background, you can see this BG here. This BG is background. This sticker, if you want to input an image or you want to take an shapes or whatever, you can do it with this sticker. Let me show you. You can as well take pictures. You can see gallery here. This will take you to your phone gallery. Then you can see shapes, locations, phone, email. They are just here. You can choose if you want to, but we just want to edit this template. We're going to take it back. This T you are seeing here is for text. This is for effect. Let's say you want to add effects to the background, you can choose from here and add to it. I don't want to add any effect, so we'll just take it off. Now I'm going to start by editing the name. So I'll click on the name. You can see now that they have two different names here. It's one name but it has two different colors. You can see edit, you can see color. If you want to change the color, you can change it. Now I'm just going to write the name that I'm going to edit the name to put a different name. So I'll click on it. If you click on this small box you are seeing, that means you are deleting it, but I don't want to delete it. Now you click on edit, then you click on this pen size here to edit it so that you can input the name that you want. So I'm going to delete this name. So when you are done typing the name, you click on done, then you click on add. You can see now that it has changed the name to this name. So I think I've already typed all the names under one box. I'm going to take this one off. Now you can as well reduce increase the size, just the way I'm doing it. You can reduce or increase the size depending on how you want it. The next, if you want to change the color, you can change the color. If you want to change the font, how it is appearing, you can see different fonts here. So you can choose the one that you prefer. So this is how to do it. Now for you to lock it so that it won't move, you click on this place here. Now you can see the name that I've typed here, then you click here, it has locked, so it will not move. You can see. The next thing, I'm going to edit this other one. Just the same way, you type in wherever the person is into. I believe we all know what business card is, so you enter all the details here. So when you are done, you click on done and adjust it the way you want it. Now I want to adjust this. Sorry, this thing is moving. Let me quickly lock them. So I want to adjust this a bit. Now I'm going to lock it so that it doesn't move. So the next thing, we'll edit the contact, the person's contacts. So you click on it, you click on edit this pen size, then input the contacts that you want. Then you click on done, click on add. Now it has edited. The next thing is the person's email account. Okay, I locked it. Let me lock this contact, then unlock the website. The reason why I lock them so that it doesn't move. So I'm just going to go back now, click on the website. Now click on edit, same way. So when you are done, you click on done and you click on add. The next thing, you are going to lock it. Then when you are done, you click on done, you click on add. Now we've edited the name. Now you lock again. You can choose not to lock, but to be on the safer side so that you don't struggle with it. Now this design marks, we are going to edit it too. You can put the person's name or the person's business name on this place. Okay, let me use uppercase letters for it. So this is it. Now this graphic design home you are seeing here is the person's business slogan. So we're going to edit it. We're going to edit it and add our own there. Now you can see that ideally the slogan is not supposed to come at more than this business name. So I'm going to increase the size of the business name here. So I'll go back. Now the next thing, this business logo here, we're going to edit it and put the business logo for this brand. Now please pay close attention to this you can choose to use this logo, or if you want to change it, you can change it. You go to sticker, it will take you to your gallery where you will select. You can see shapes. If you want from this app, you can get logo from this app depending on your preference, or you go to your gallery and import the logo that you want. When you are done, you click on save. So after downloading, you can share to your WhatsApp. We have created the front. Now we'll move to the back side to design the back of the card. So you download it. This is the back of the business card. So we're going to edit it the way we edited the front of the card. So just to click on it, edit. So it's same thing guys, just the way you edited the front, that is how you edit the back. So when you are done, you click on this save here to save. You can decide to change the logo or leave the logo like that. But one thing I observe with this app, if you are trying to put in another logo, removing the background is usually difficult. Like if you notice that first one I did, you can see the reflection of that background on it. So you can decide to use this logo like this, or you change the logo. So this is how to create business card. Then when you are done creating, you can mock up it before you send it to your client, or if you are going to print it, then you print it and deliver to your client. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe. See you in my next video. Bye.